Hello guys, in this video we'll create a separate user to manage EKS clusters, etc. But before going anywhere else any further, I'll just let you know that in Amazon, EKS, Kubernetes, is actually not free. So let's say if you set up the minimal configuration with EKS and then you run it and let it run for 1 month, it's gonna cost you something 120 US dollars per month. It's kind of not fun, right? Because if you go with Google account, with Google cluster, it's kind of free because EKS, not EKS, but Kubernetes originated from Google historically. But in this course, we want to cover actually Amazon EKS cluster. So that's why it's gonna cost us some money, but it's okay. AWS, Amazon is quite popular and it worth investing. Okay, so just keep in mind. And it's not gonna cost you a lot if you just, run something and then stop. Maybe you'll pay a couple of bucks, but that's okay. That's it. Okay, from there, we're going to user section because we want to create a new user. Then obviously clicking on this add user button. Since this user will be dedicated for having access to or dealing with EKS, and this will be for developer purposes, development purposes, so we'll just name it dev EKS, at least for now. Clicking these checkboxes, it's pretty much. You can go and read through it. Then the next thing is assigning the permissions, because every user is supposed to be connected to a group and policy. The group will be maybe the same, EKS dev group or dev EKS. I don't know. Let's keep it this way. So basically, what kind of access we have to EKS and who dev. Let's follow this logic. Then let's choose what kind of policy we want to assign this to. For simplicity, for now only, okay, we'll assign it to administrator access group policy. It means this user, this group actually, and the user also, will have access to everything. So it's not that different from root access that we already have. But for now, just for simplicity, we just want to have a new user and use it. And then later on next videos, we will go and change it to have a kind of minimalistic access, to have access to only what we want to have access to. Okay. Okay, bear with me. Create a group. As you can see, this is EKS dev group. Yeah, attached policies, still correct. Next step. Next step is kind of optional. We can add something. It's about having tags, so it would be easy to figure out what this group is about. We can just say the first tag gonna be EKS, another is developer, and we can put some description there if we want to, but we don't. Here we go. Manage policy, EKS dev. Nice. Create a user. So we just have created a user, and it's nice. You see this my key. I can show it to you, but later on I will recreate this user, so don't try to hack me. And you can send the email about this. If let's say if you're creating a user for someone, not for yourself, or to your group of people, your organization, you just click this button and it will send it to everyone. and then just simply press close. Also, you probably want to download this file, and we will use it later. Okay, I'll be referring to it later on. So that's it for now. See you on next video.